Hello everyone, I am M. Soni from BA HEP first year Ibrahimpatnam. I am here to explain about oligopoly market. Here, oligos means few and polens means sell. Now we will see the characteristic features of oligopoly market. Presence of more than 2 firms. That means so many firms are present. Selling cost is present to improve sales. Here, selling cost is nothing but the amount of money which we spend on the product for its advertisement. That gives profit to the firm. No barriers to entry. That means firm can enter the industry easily and can leave the industry easily. They can produce homogeneous or heterogeneous products. Homogeneous products means same products in the form, size and shape. Heterogeneous products mean different products. Okay, oligopoly market lies between monopoly and monopolistic competition. Presence of non-price competition. Here, non-price competition means the firms will be giving offers and gifts for the consumers to increase their sale and to get more profit, interdependent on each other. In oligopoly market, the firms are very interdependent on each other. These are the characteristic features of oligopoly market. Okay, and let's see price rigidity, kinked demand curve. Here, price rigidity. Rigidity means fixed. In oligopoly, price will be fixed. Now we will see how it is in kinked demand curve. Okay, here this is the kinked demand curve. On x-axis we will be taking the output and on y-axis we will be taking the price. Okay, K, P, D is the kinked demand curve. It is a curve, right? Now, MR is the marginal revenue, MC is the marginal cost, OP is the price, and Q is the output. Okay, in oligopoly, price is fixed, right? At starting we have learned, right? Price rigidity. Why? Why price is fixed in oligopoly? For example, if you are going to take example, if one firm rises or decreases the price of the product, then by seeing that firm, another firm will also decreases the price of the product, right? So if they are going to decrease the price of the product, there will be loss to the industry, right? There will be loss to the industry. So to avoid that loss to the industry, the firms in the oligopoly market will be deciding the maximum price level. Okay, if price falls below the P or increases above the P, there will be losses for the industry. So price will be fixed in the oligopoly market and the quantity produced is OQ, same. Okay, OQ, same. Now this is the marginal revenue. MC intersect marginal revenue at point B, right? MC intersect marginal revenue at point B and produces OQ output. Produces OQ output. See, if marginal cost decreases, then MC cost will be moving downwards to MC2 and intersecting the MR curve at point C. If marginal cost increases, the MC curve will be moving upwards and intersecting the MR at point A. Okay, and here we can see the gap, right? So this gap is depend upon the demand of elasticity or elasticity of demand. How much demand is present for that product in the market? So that could be here, see here. Okay, we have seen that if marginal cost increases, the MC curve will be moving upwards, right? and intersecting the MR at point A. Now, what happens if marginal cost increases? There will be increasing in the price but decreasing in the output. Okay, once again I will repeat. If the marginal cost increases, the price will be increase and the output will be decrease. If marginal cost decreases, the price will be decrease and the output will be increase. Okay, this is all about the price rigidity kinked demand curve. As I explained in the curve, these are the points. If you want to have a look on it, you can pause the video and you can see. This is the explanation. Okay, thank you.